You know what's strange? Some people can understand English perfectly, and some people even know how to write it. And even some of the people are there who can think in English. But the moment when they have to speak in front of anyone, then suddenly their confidence disappears. And you know what? Even that time, the basic sentence feels so difficult. And the saddest part is that people think that they are weak in English. But honestly, the problem is not English at all. Point number one, fear of judgment. I think most of the people think this. You know what? That English is not the problem when we have to speak in front of anybody. The thing that comes in our brain when we are going to speak is like that what if I pronounce something wrong? What if I sound so dumb? And slowly, you know what happened? That all this thing, the fear of being judged by the people, that really steals our fluency. And you know, communication and the confidence are really interconnected with each other. So please don't think about all these things that what if I pronounce wrong? What if I did this? What if I did that? The moment when you will speak, your confidence will grow up. The more you will speak, your confidence will grow more and more. Okay. So stop being thinking that what if I sound something like that? What if somebody judge me? No, you will learn a lot of things. Point number two, comparison and pressure. Another reason is that most of the people feel shy or they don't speak English. They become hesitant while speaking English because they have the pressure of saying everything correct, everything perfectly. I don't understand that why some of the people think that if you said something wrong or if you're making some mistake, then it is a sign of embarrassment. No, it is not embarrassment. See, if you are learning something, obviously then you will make mistakes. And mistakes are a part that you are learning something. If you will not do mistakes, then how you will learn something new? So next time, don't compare that that person is very much fluent and I am not. No, don't compare yourself. Please, maybe when you will learn much better, when you're fluent, you can speak much better than the person you can see in front of you. So don't stop yourself and don't feel embarrassed if you are in the learning process. Okay? It comes gradually. Perfection will not come at once. We will make mistakes, we will have many awkward moments. So enjoy them and be consistent with your learning things. Point number three, stop translating every sentence. Most of the people do this. Seriously. Like we take a sentence and then we are translating that sentence into Hindi to English, or we are translating and we are doing self correction of that sentence in our brain. We are not speaking naturally at all. What we do, we take the sentence, okay, so now this sentence is correct, and we think it and then we say it. The more you are doing the self correction in your brain, the more you are translating that in your brain. Now you're not expressing your thoughts naturally. Seriously, your confidence will automatically decrease and decrease. So please don't try to translate the things, okay? Whatever you are having in your head, just speak naturally. Okay? Maybe you do something wrong. Maybe you face the awkward situations. Don't worry about that. I did explain in the last point. So stop translating and just say the natural way as you are. Point number four, lack of comfortable environment. You know, I also feel this. Like many of the times, there are people who don't lack potential, who are trying to speak better. They are making themselves better. But if somebody is like just coming and interrupting you quickly again and again and mocking at you, so at that time, obviously the person who is speaking will become silent, right? And you know what? A comfortable environment is very much important, okay, when you want to speak confidently and fluently and perfectly. So, you know, the place where you feel more comfortable, just be there and speak. And even if you are on a place where you are feeling a little bit of uncomfortable and you have to speak something, just don't have a self doubt on yourself. Be confident and speak naturally and properly. Nobody wants a perfection. Everybody wants natural. You know, people loves naturality rather than perfection. Okay, if you are being a natural, then you are the star in the room. But if you are not sounding natural, if it's looking something fake, still your words are very good, still your vocab is very good. But that will look like now that you read something or you learned from somewhere. So just be natural and don't have a self doubt on yourself. And lastly, if you still think that you are feeling nervous or you think that you are incapable of that, don't assume without practicing this. Perfection can only come when you practice English, okay? It will not come before that. So start practicing and stop being the self doubt and practice English constantly. That matters a lot. Thank you.